On this video we review 3 excellent survival tools that you should have. We hope this helps for your best selection and enjoy it. Here we go. The Iunio Camping Axe Multi-Tool Hatchet Survival Kit is an excellent election. A survival multi-tool. Several uses in one survival axe that can be used for splitting small logs, preparing kindling as well as extracting yourself or others from vehicles, breaking glass/windows, wilderness navigation, building shelters, starting fires and engraving, Boy Scout and wilderness survival training and more. The usefulness is limited only by your imagination. You do not need to be an expert survivalist to benefit from the multiple uses of this survival axe. Hatchet with ingenious tubular engineering. This survival axe assembles or disassembles smoothly. Partially assembled, it can be a short axe if you are in a close and compact situation, or fully assembled for regular use. This axe can be different sizes for different trips. Furthermore, the tube sections each have available space for small first aid kits, fishing gear and tackle, survival gear or anything else you can imagine. This is a good backup hatchet to have for just in case needs. Camping axe with protective sheath/camo wrap. Comes with protective sheath, which protects the blade for extra safety. Easy to attach to your belt like a really cool bushcraft warrior. Camo wrap is also included not only for visual enhancement, but the wrap also provides the user both a better grip and cushioning for the hands. Great gift idea, it has many features a standalone axe doesn't have. Fantastic tool for a long-term bug-out bag or a camping, fishing, off-road or hunting trip. Best gift for campers, hikers, hunters, fishermen, survivalists, preppers, outdoor enthusiasts, backpackers, Boy Scouts, or anyone needing tactical and practical tools for your car, SUV, truck, van or RV. Backed with a lifetime warranty. The off-grid tool survival axe is a very useful tool. If you need to chop, clear, pound, pry or demo something, the hammer axe is the perfect solution for you. With 10 features built into one tool, it equips you with the versatility that very few tools can. At 19.5 inches in length, the hammer axe provides you with enough leverage for serious power, but is lightweight enough to be easily handled. The ergonomically ribbed rubber fits comfortably in your hand, while providing the stability needed during serious jobs. The black oxide-coated axe head is heat-treated and extremely durable. All-purpose hand tool designed for camping, demolition, or everyday use. Axe head, pry bar, hammer head and nail claw. Spanner wrench, tire chain hook and nail puller. Shock-absorbing power grip and lightweight fiberglass handle. The SOG Tactical Tomahawk is a very professional tool. Based on the Vietnam Tomahawk, the Tactical Tomahawk is an extreme evolution of the original, which was considered one of the more unusual weapons of its day. Today there is a real need for a versatile tool for breaching operations, excavation, obstacle removal, extraction, and other utility applications. The 420 stainless steel head with hard-cased coating is mounted to the fiberglass reinforced nylon handle with heavy-duty bolts and a steel ferrule for stability. Side hammer checkering ensures precise placement when pounding. Carried in a nylon sheath, this is a universal tool for modern man. You choose. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe and hit the bell if you want to receive more like it in the future. See you.